On a warm Saturday afternoon in Kingston, for 16-year-old friends, Maud, Margaret, Gloria, and their classmate Daniel happened upon an old, abandoned building while exploring behind their college. Rumors whispered it was paranormal, but curiosity pulled them inside. As they pushed open a rusty door, a shimmering light spilled out from a hidden corner. There, in a dimly lit chamber, was a massive wall of glowing crystals, each one pulsing with vibrant colors, casting kaleidoscopic reflections across the room. "Whoa, what is this?" Margaret whispered, eyes wide. Maud reached out cautiously. The moment her fingers touched the crystals, the room shimmered brighter, and suddenly, the crystals began to hum with a strange energy. The air crackled with static, and a voice echoed softly, Asterisk. "Welcome, seekers. You have found the crystal room." Asterisk Gloria stepped closer, her voice trembling. "Is this magic?" The crystals pulsed faster, and a shimmering portal appeared at the center of the chamber. Daniel hesitated, then stepped forward. "Maybe this can take us anywhere. Think of the possibilities." Without thinking twice, they each placed a hand on the portal. Instantly, they felt a whirlwind of light and sound. When it settled, they found themselves standing on a distant planet, under a sky swirling with unfamiliar stars and strange, floating crystals. They realized this room was a gateway, an ancient, magical nexus that could transport them across worlds, revealing secrets of the universe. Suddenly, the portal flickered. "Time to choose," Margaret said. "Do we go back or explore?" Maud grinned. "The universe is calling. Let's see where this takes us." With hearts pounding, they stepped into the glowing portal together, eager for their next adventure, knowing they had uncovered a magic far beyond anything they'd ever imagined.